Hi friend, and welcome to my channel! Let's draw a tractor together! Are you ready? Let's start! Draw a small circle and a larger one for the inside of the wheel. Then draw the wheel tire like I do. Draw the second wheel the same way, but a bit bigger. Trace the fender with a vertical line, a quarter circle, and a horizontal line. Now draw the rear wheel mudguard. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Now draw the outline of the tractor with a vertical line, a diagonal line for the hood, a diagonal line for the glass, our horizontal line for the roof, and a diagonal line for the back. Draw the muffler on the hood with a vertical line, a diagonal line, vertical line, another vertical line, a diagonal, a vertical line, and a diagonal line. And a vertical line. Draw a horizontal line across the bottom of the tractor. Now, draw the edge of the roof like I do. Draw a vertical line and a horizontal line for the door. Draw the window with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and a horizontal line. Then draw the rear window with a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and another horizontal line. Draw a diagonal line between the two windows. Draw a small rectangle for the handle. Draw a square at the base of the tractor. Then draw two horizontal lines and two diagonal lines under the hood. Follow me while I'm sketching it. Draw a semicircle for the headlight. Wow! Our drawing turned out really well! Well done! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the tractor body. Use orange for the fender and muffler. Color the tires and the smaller rim of the wheels with black. Use yellow for the roof, the handle, the side strip under the hood, the square, and the headlight. And use blue for the large wheel rims and windows. Our tractor turned out great and is ready to take you across the fields. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!